Well, harvest time is the culmination of the growing year. It's the most important time in many ways. Every aspect of this point has been important, but harvest is it's the produce that you get once a year to make the wine. And the weather starts to change in the fall, so you want it to be just perfect. You want the grapes to be fully mature and ripe, and you want the weather to be heavenly. You don't want too much rain because the grapes can swell. You don't want too much heat because the plants can shut down. So you want everything to be picture perfect, the most splendid end of summer day. And then many places will pick in the cool of night when the grapes are resting to preserve the flavors of the grape and the acidity as best they can, and treat them as softly and gently as possible to take them to the winery so they can make the year's wares.